Toyota Vitz 1.0 2012 registered 2016 Outclass condition, first owner, buy and drive deal, smooth drive, urgent sale, only 26 lakh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am presenting a beautiful Toyota Vitz 1.0 in extraordinary and Outclass condition. This is a 2012 model and registered in 2016. The car is key start and is a first owner vehicle. It has been carefully maintained and is ready to drive without any work required. If you are looking for a reliable, economical, and smooth hatchback for daily city use and family driving, this car is a great option for you. Let's start with the exterior condition. The body of the car is in very clean condition and looks fresh on the road. There are only 2 or 3 minor touch-ups on the body, which are hardly noticeable. Other than that, the paint condition is very good and the panels are properly aligned. The engine room is very clean, which shows that the car has been maintained with care. The headlights, tail lights, and side mirrors are in excellent condition. The retractable side mirrors with indicator lights add a premium look and extra safety while changing lanes. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. This Toyota Vitz 1.0 comes with its own original and powerful engine. The engine condition is perfect and runs very smoothly. There is no unusual noise, and the pickup is smooth and comfortable for city driving. The gear shifting is perfect and smooth, which makes the driving experience relaxed and easy. The suspension is also in perfect condition, so the ride is smooth even on uneven roads. The engine temperature remains normal even in traffic, and the cooling system works properly. This car is truly a buy and drive option. The fuel average of this car is very good because it is a 1.0-liter engine and throughout petrol. This makes it very economical for daily use. If you are someone who wants to save money on fuel and maintenance, this car is a great choice. The maintenance cost is low, and spare parts are easily available. This makes ownership stress-free for long-term use. Talking about the drive comfort, the steering is light and easy to control. The power steering makes driving and parking very easy, especially in city traffic and tight parking spaces. The brakes are responsive and provide confident stopping power. The car feels stable on the road, and the smooth drive makes daily commuting comfortable and enjoyable. Now let's move to the tires and wheels. New tires have been installed recently, so you don't need to worry about tire replacement anytime soon. The road grip is good, and the car feels planted on the road even at higher speeds. This adds to the safety and comfort of the drive. Moving to the interior condition, the inside of the car is Outclass and well maintained. The seats are clean and comfortable. The dashboard is neat, and all meters and switches are working properly. The power windows work perfectly, and all doors open and close smoothly. The air conditioning is chilled and provides strong cooling, which is very important in hot weather. The cabin feels fresh and comfortable for both driver and passengers. The interior condition truly matches the extraordinary exterior condition of the car. This car has original 106,000 kilometers driven, which is genuine mileage. It is a first owner car, which shows that it has been kept with care. The car has been used on petrol throughout, which is better for engine health and performance. The engine room is very clean, and the overall mechanical condition is perfect. There is no work required at all. Just buy and drive. The car is in extraordinary condition both inside and outside. It is a great option for people who want a Japanese hatchback with smooth drive, excellent fuel average, and low maintenance cost. This Toyota Vitz 1.0 is perfect for daily city use, office commute, and small family use. It is easy to drive, easy to park, and comfortable for long routes as well. The final price of this car is $2,600,000. The price is reasonable according to the condition and features of the car. Serious buyers only, please. No time waste. If you are looking for a clean, well-maintained Toyota Vitz with key start, first owner, perfect engine, perfect suspension, new tires, and Outclass interior and exterior, this car is a great deal for you. Overall, this Toyota Vitz 1.0 2012 is a reliable, economical, and comfortable hatchback. It offers smooth drive, chilled AC, perfect gear shifting, power steering, power windows, retractable side mirrors with indicator lights, and a clean engine room. The condition is extraordinary, and the car is truly a buy and drive option. If you want a worry-free daily use car with low fuel cost and strong reliability, this Toyota Vitz is definitely worth considering. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and urgent sale deals, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.